Buongiorno. We are looking at how to pronounce this Italian name. It's famous for fashion, as being a fashion brand. We'll be looking at how to say more fashion brand names too many people mispronounce, like this one indeed. Let's get down to that name. What's going on here? Here. Cucinelli. It's how it's said in Italian. Let's break it down to understand very well how this is to be pronounced. Cu. U in Italian is pronounced like U. Ci. A single C is pronounced like CH in Italian. Cucinelli. Okay, so if you look at this word, you have a double L at the end, and in Italian it matters, so you want to make the L twice as long. Cucinelli is how the Italians would say it, maybe not, as strongly. Cucinelli. Cucinelli is how you say it. So in English, Cucinelli. Yeah, it's easy. But now you know. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. See you there. Thanks for watching.